Hi, I'm Brian Schwartz, Product Manager with Legrand AV, and this is our new Daylight Myriad reveal with SightLine. It's the Myriad product is now available in sizes under 14 foot wide, so this is a new smaller case design for those sizes, and is available with our SightLine cable drop, so you don't have any of the black drop at the top of your screen. And it has adjustable mounting brackets that with some leveling adjustment after you install it. And then over here, this is an accessory for our electric screen products. This is our Daylight screen controller. So this makes the screen IP addressable so that you can control that over the network. And then we're also adding a feature that works with the RackLink Cloud from Legrand AV so that you can actually tunnel into this device from the cloud, and you can see if the screen is up or down. You can schedule a time for the screen to run up at the end of the day, all those kind of features that are available from cloud services. So our website, legrandav.com, you can find out all the information on these products.